Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to Hapin Hotel. Mag-overnight kami dito before going to Palawan. So, papakita ko sa inyo ang mga nasa paligid ng Hapin Hotel. Bay Life, Coast Ocean Palace. And then, sa side ng Hapin, merong Bathurst Coffee and of course 7-Eleven. So, yung mga nagugutom, pwedeng bumili dito if you're just staying for a night. Pero may malapit na yung mall. Straight ahead is the Ayala Mall. You can see the Ayala Mall building here. That's the Ayala Mall. And this is the Hapin Hotel. We're going to the lobby of Hapin Hotel. So, nag-early check-in kami kanina. Pinayagan nila kami kasi may available. May available room na. Hapin. The lobby. The reception area. Before you go to your room, you need to tap. And then you press mo yung door. Kasi hindi siya magsasara. Hindi siya makakapunta sa floor mo hanggang hindi mo tinatap yung ID card, key card. Yan, we're here at the fourth floor where we stay. Budget hotel na siya, so maliit pero so malinis. Wala. And this is our room 419. Oh baby, you open it. Here.
Ako na.
Go down. Go, put it there. Raylan, you put it here. Medyo malaki yung bathroom because we're in parang natin 419 malaki yung bathroom nila. Dito naman nagstay si Mommy at Daddy sa room 433. Dito ka, Mommy. Pwede insert it here. Yeah. Good job. for overnight here. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.